Done?
Yes.
What could you see from chapter 5?
Chapter 5, I could see the heading as Vince Guy Mouse, and above that I could see a blue hat which had a golden anchor on it.
Okay.
In another picture, I could see a girl who was wearing a yellow raincoat and blue pants, and she was shouting at a boy who was wearing orange shirt and black pants, and he had black hair and he had fallen down.
What could you see from chapter 3?
Chapter 3, I could see a night full of stars and wishes, above which I could see a pink compass. In another picture, I could see a boat which had green sails, and in another picture, I could see a mountain and the sun in another picture, I could see a purple dress, a red sweater, a yellow and brown hiking boots, a yellow raincoat, and I could see a blue tracksuit. In another picture, I could see the girl wearing the yellow raincoat, and she was on the boat with green sails, and it was night time, and there was a shooting star, and I could see a crescent moon in the sky, and I could see the blue dark